Your love, care, and presence is something I cannot compare or replace with anything or anyone. I am sorry for all those times when I misunderstood you. I projected my insecurities on you because Elle didn't wanted to face my show side. You asked me those things which I suppressed within me since my childhood. Honesty, I get so angry and triggered on all those questions and things you asked, but at the same time felt so emotional that there is someone who can see my pain and understands me. But due to the fear of vulnerability, rejection, Elle kept running from you and this love because I was sacred of opening up my heart. But truly you are a gem kind of person. So real, authentic, and loving. I love everything about you except when you ignore or don't talk with me.